Hey guys, so it's been a while since I did my last update, and I've been meaning to do something way before now, but life got in the way. So just a little update. In the last video, I mentioned that I was doing going to do 373 gears in the WS6, and what I ended up going with was this motive gear, performance gear. Part number right there, and I got them from Advanced Auto online. They were actually, I think they might have been like $100 cheaper than everywhere else I could find them online. So I had my mechanic install these. Performance wise, big difference between that and the factory 323. However, these gears are noisy as crap, and and I know some guys are gonna be like, well, I've got these gears and they're quiet as can be, no louder than the factory gears, blah blah blah. Your guy just didn't set them up right. That is not true. The guy that rebuilt this rear end for me in the WS6, he also rebuilt the rear end in my 79, and he's been doing rear ends and all kinds of frame off restorations, everything, for over 30 years. And even he complained about the difficulty of getting these set up to where they even were they're not quiet. So anywhere near as quiet as he could get them, and that's after at least 3 or 4 attempts to adjust the spacing, the pinion depth, and all that stuff. So even changed gear oil to a heavier gear weight oil or whatever, same deal, didn't quiet. I mean, we changed all the bearings and everything in the rear end when we did it. So it's definitely not that, it's these gears. Online, there were other people as well that said the same thing about this particular gear set. So I put probably, maybe I would say about 1,000 miles or 1,500 miles, not even 15, I would say about 1,000 miles on this set of gears. They're still currently installed on the car as of this video, but I am taking them out because I cannot stand the noise. And what I'm going with is Yukon. I found a dealer, and that is the part number there, that I guess because they buy in bulk or whatever the case is, way cheaper than Summit, Jigs, all these other sites. So what's going to happen is these set of gears, the Yukon gears, are going to go in the car this upcoming week, and then I'll have to go through the whole break-in period and all that stuff. And we're both thinking and knowing probably 100% sure that it's going to be way quieter with the Yukon gears than this Motive performance gear. Now, I've had Motive performance. I've got them install a same 373 Motive gear in my 79 Trans Am, and they're quiet as a mouse. So I don't know what's going on with the 7.5 rear end and Motive gear, but I would not recommend this gear set unless you are just primarily using your car for taking it to the track, the strip or whatever, or just a every blue moon cruiser type deal on the weekend, because daily driving this, is not fun. You got to turn the radio up, and just the noise itself when the radio's not up would be enough to give you a headache. So also, when I had these gears swapped out, you got to do a retune to correct the speedometer. So I had PCM of North Carolina also retune the computer for the 373 from the 323. All right, so that's where I'm at now. I've got these going in this upcoming week, and then I've also got some rear end suspension upgrades. Not doing lowering springs, but I am changing out the control arms and some other stuff back there to tubular. And yeah, so I may do a video of that, what it looks like or what the parts are once it gets a little warmer. It's been really cold here, so, and I don't have room to do it in the garage right now, so I've been putting that off for a warmer day. So until next time, everyone be safe. And that is my review on the motive gear so far. I may do an update on the Yukon once it has been broken in and completed.